What is going on, everybody? Welcome to this review. And I actually came across this new Forex EA, this new Forex software called Forex Diamond. All right. So I've decided to pick it up mainly because I just love picking up these products and just kind of, testing them out and see if they're really worth anything to me and to you guys. And I was actually pleasantly surprised by this product because it actually performed. It's very in-depth. There's a lot going on, but it's simple to use, and the support team was there the whole time. So that's kind of why I really enjoyed this. So I kind of want to make a little review video to show you what it's about and why I kind of like it, and how this could possibly help you if you think it's right. So actually, as I'm talking right now, they have $110 off this software. Now, the special link I have right below this video, if you click that link, you're going to be taken to this page right away. And if you do click that link, there are going to be discounts going on all the time. Right now, it happens to be $110 off, but it can be more, it could be less. Make sure you click the link below because it is a very special VIP link that I was able to get from the creators of the software. They reached out and they wanted me to do that. So make sure you click that link below so you do get the best possible deal on this, all right? Also, click the link below just so you can see this page and know if it's for you, all right? So this is actually MetaTrader 5 compatible, MetaTrader 4 compatible. It uses a dynamic trading logic, which I'm going to talk a little bit more about, which is pretty cool. It does secure the profit for you, so you don't have to be sitting at your charts all day. And they do have awesome 24/7 rapid support, all right? So this is a world-class Forex system with amazing 40+ recovery factor to take your trading to the next level, a 40+ recovery factor, which is absolutely incredible. Now, the number one reason why I decided to check this product out is because it is actually very transparent with you, and they show you exactly how this performs, all right? So right here, they have a My FX Book link, all right? They actually show you live what they're doing, what this software has been doing for their accounts, and how they've made about 650 pips in literally 5 months doing nothing. They don't have to do anything. They just set this up on the chart and it trades for them, all right? And it shows you how to do this as all. But as you can see, they've already done about 27%, all right? And it's been about 6, 7, 8 months. They started in November and it's now July, and it's been about 30%, not 30%, about 27% gain. Now, why this is significant, maybe it doesn't seem like a lot to you, but really, if you want to put your money in like a mutual fund on the stock market, you are going to maybe get 10% if you're lucky. And you're definitely not going to get 10% year in and year out. You're lucky, you're probably going to average 5, 6, 7%. And that's barely above inflation, if I'm correct. So if you really want to, put a little bit of your money in a little bit more high profit, high return investments, then using this Forex robot is definitely for you. Like always, you want to test it out on a demo account. Make sure it's good for you. But so far, all the proof's been telling me that this is a good working software, all right? So here are some of the top features. Like I said, they have 3 completely different trading systems in just this one EA, meaning every single trade you go into, it basically is triple checked by 3 different systems to make sure it's the right trade, all right? So like they have dynamic trading logic, self-updating algorithm, high trading frequency, meaning you're not going to be able to go a day without trades. The robot finds these trades. There's trades to be made all the time, and this EA finds it for you. All right, high slippage protection, high spread protection, and profit protection. So meaning when you're in profit, your stop loss is going to be moved so that you keep profit, all right? So, and there's also a ton of these just, information. I'm not going to sit here and read this for you, but basically, click the link below and read through this yourself. There's so much information here. I can, just kind of show you the headlines, but it's best for you to click the link right below this video and check out this page yourself, just so you know that this is for you, just so you do the research and know if you really want to take your Forex game to the next level, you need to check out this page and see all this information, see if it's for you, all right? So Forex Diamond EA unlocks profit potential with 3 sophisticated market domination strategies, all right? So it does a signal strategy, a counter trend strategy, and a scalping strategy, all right? So you're going to have to look into those and kind of see what you're going to be getting with those. All 3 have made me good money on my own accounts. They're pretty in-depth, but they're very simple to set up, all right? And here again, more information that I really recommend that you read. They have extraordinary results. The industry set the recovery factor bar at 20. With Forex Diamond, they doubled it. You get a 40, which is absolutely incredible. Maximum reliability, a complete, fully dynamic trading system designed for maximum reliability and profit. Because they have such a great support team and the software is so well made, you don't have to worry about this going down. You're always going to be in position to be making good trades, all right? And here are just some more tactics that you're going to be getting, all right? Rapid market impulse trading levels, optimal money management, rapid help support desk, which is always good. High frequency trading, you're going to be getting trades every single day. Low optimization required. High slippage protection, spread protection, self-updating, and profit protection, all right? So just because you are in profit, you're going to keep that profit, all right? So you're not going to be risking your profit. Now, here are some more of the strategies. You can read more into this. There's a ton of information, and it's very cool. So I recommend that you check this page out. Like I said, click the link below and just read through this and kind of see how advanced this really is, all right? You are in full control. You can use one of these strategies or you can use all three. You can test it out yourself and see if it will make you money, all right? This is 19 years of brutal testing, they say. So what they actually did is they back-tested this exact software on the pairs over a 19-year back test. So they took all the charts from the past 19 years, they applied this EA to it, and these are the results, right? Over $113,000, right? Almost $200,000. That's a ton of money, all right? They're just making $14 million, all right? So, they're doing a lot of good things here. And as you can see, their max drawdown is only 2%. They're winning almost 80% of their trades on all of these, all right? 80%, 82, 82. 77, all right? All of these are huge winning trades, and they're almost at 80% win ratio, which is literally unheard of, all right? So they back tested this. Again, this is not real life. This is them just back testing what the market's done in the past, but it's a pretty good rule that, what's going to happen in the past is a good indication of what's going to happen in the future. That's all we can base the future on, really, is what's happened in the past. So that's pretty cool, right? And like always with any Forex software, I love the 60-day money back guarantee, meaning if you don't like this, if this isn't for you, you can simply get your money back and move on with your trading career or whatever you want to do. All right, that's super cool. You're going to be making your investment back pretty much in like 2 or 3 days, honestly. But if this isn't for you, if you decide I just don't want to set this up, I don't want to do this, then you can get your money back. All right, you can get your money back. So there's absolutely zero risk. All you have to do is click the link below, get this software for like $100 off, and you're well on your way to making some good money with Forex. And if you don't like it, just get your money back. All right. So here's kind of how it works. You download Forex Diamond, you install it in about 2 minutes, and then you'll just start trading. All right, that's how fast it works. And then, there's just so much information. You're going to be getting a members area. You're going to get quick support, quick strategy guide, money back guarantee, several demo accounts and live accounts, lifetime updates, and precise and scientific trading. All right. So I'm thinking this is about good. Like I said, they're having about $100 off right now. If you click the link below, they're going to be constantly having more and more deals using the VIP link that I have right below this video. So check that out. Make sure you get into this before you miss out. And other than that, I think we are good to go, guys. I really appreciate the time. There's no risk at all in Forex Diamond. I checked it out. It's very professionally well made. This page is even professional. It's a very impressive page. So, no complaints from Forex Diamond. They have a blog. They have some frequently asked questions if you want to check that out. And the most important factor is there's no risk because you can get your money back, all right? So thank you again for watching this video. Check out the link right below this video so you can get in on this at the best price possible. And other than that, I will see you later.